Hey guys, Marianne here again with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have another one-owner car. It is a 2015 BMW X4 xDrive35i, and it's finished in an alpine white with a saddle brown leather, Nevada leather interior. And as you can see, you have also the burl wood, which is an upgrade in this X4. And to me, I can't figure out if this car is a coupe, a sedan, an SUV. I really cannot. It's like some sort of crossover type, but when you drive it, it feels like it's a sport car. But when you look at it from the outside, it's almost like a lifted, I guess, sport car. I have no idea, really. I think you should decide and let me know what your opinion is. But to me, it's sort of a sport, or it drives like a sport car, but it looks like a SUV. I really have no idea. All I know is it was a pleasant surprise in its speed, and a lot of fun to drive, of course. Let me see if I can get this open. There we go. All right, under the hood, we have a 300 horsepower engine, and of course it's a turbo. You can see it's really nice. What?
What? 6-cylinder twin turbo.
I didn't take your advice. The person who told me to put the specs underneath the hood
3-liter twin turbo.
Yeah.
6-cylinder.
I apologize. Awesome. I didn't do it. All I know is that it's extremely fast. So, and I had a lot of fun driving it. But apparently, it's a. What did you say it is?
3-liter.
There you go. It's that. So. Sometimes that's not always as important as I'd like to think it is. Here's your 19-inch. These are light alloy wheels. That is an upgrade with the car. It does have a premium package as well. Driver assist package. I'm gonna get this door open for you. Right here, your keyless entry. And again, the beautiful saddle Nevada brown interior. Plenty of room for everybody. Seats 5. There you go. Again, it's one owner, very well loved, only 23,000 miles on this car. And of course the wheels and the tires are fantastic. Still a lot of life there on the tires. We do have a backup camera, automatic opener in this hatchback. $55,500 window sticker, and of course we still have the original window sticker as well. And here you can see the premium package upgrade, the driver assist package. There's the X-Line upgrade, which does have the burl walnut wood trim and the 19-inch alloy wheels, which is, like I said, an upgrade. So the window sticker will obviously come with the car, or SUV, or coupe, or whatever you decide to call it yourself. Underneath here in your spacious trunk area, we have the latches. These are really good when you're traveling. It can help latch down anything that you are traveling with. And once you latch those in and lift this up, you do use usually 4 or 2, depending on exactly what you're trying to strap down. You strap down your items, and this way it keeps you safe and secure, your items safe and secure in you as well. That way it does not go through. These all go down. Let me see if I can reach from here. And this gives you enough space for anything that you need to travel with. And like I said, having the option of latching it down does keep it safe, secure, but again, it does keep you safe and secure as well, because if you were to get into an accident or have to slam on your brakes, it won't come and actually hit you from behind. And of course we have the automatic trunk hatchback closer, and I'm going to take it out on a test drive for you and show you how awesome it is. Okay, start it up. Let's see, obviously there's no service due on the car, and it has 23,312 miles. Actually, I'm going to start by showing you the nice backup camera. As you can see, it's a very clear screen. You do have your split screen as well. And I'm going to change the settings right here. There we go. All right, and get it into drive. Dual air conditioning. We have both keys. We have the books on the car. You can see right here is your cup holders right there. And like I said, keys, both keys, books, and we do have full factory warranty as well, which is a really nice option on any car that you buy. Sport mode, comfort mode, all the bells and whistles. You really cannot go wrong with this car because, like I said, it's like having a sedan, but it's also like having an SUV. It's almost like sitting in a sedan, but with way more room, especially above your head. So it's like a lifted version of it. And it's very sporty. Like I said, I was pleasantly surprised and very much liked how it handled today. It is fast. We do have the multi-function steering wheel, the paddle shifter options. I am in sport mode, so I'm gonna pick it up a little bit.
Sounds good, huh?
Yeah. So, okay, so
Close your window.
oh, sorry.
And now the first nice day.
Yeah, it really, we had a cold front come through. Look,
It's
check
freezing.
that out. It says, whoa, it just went down to 69 degrees. What are the chances? I'm really not surprised by that. But anyway, yeah, it's very cold for us. If you go to the beach right now here in Naples, you see all the local natives in their boots and scarves and gloves and whatnot because this is freezing. Satellite radio, FM, AM, the whole kit and caboodle. You got
Non-smoker.
of course, non-smoking. Wouldn't want to sit in any other vehicle. You can see in the back, I do still have the seats down from the walk-arounds where you can see all the room, plenty of room, and
And a big saving from new, you know? The car is like new.
Yeah, it's like new. One owner obviously loved, garage capped,
A Naples
23,000 miles, a Naples car. If you ever want to buy any car, you certainly want it to be a Naples one because for some reason they're always the best. So Bluetooth, I mean, all the givens. It's, you know, we got the window sticker. I'm going to take a photo of it and upload it to the website for you. Give us a call. It has been inspected and we've done any maintenance that needs to be done in the car. And of course, it's under warranty, so we just take it right to the BMW dealership. 239-263-8500. On the web, it's autohousenaples.com. And again, it's 239-263-8500. And my name is Marianne, and I will see you on the next one.